KOWWER P1. The KOWWER P1 is a portable gas generator that is designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It is lightweight, compact, and can be used to power a variety of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and lights. The KOWWER P1 is also equipped with a built-in power bank that can be used to charge devices even when the generator is not running. Lightweight and compact, the KOWWER P1 weighs only 22 pounds and is small enough to fit in a backpack. This makes it ideal for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. High efficiency, the KOWWER P1 uses a micro-generator motor that is up to 95% efficient. This means that it can convert more fuel into usable energy. BIOLITE FIREPIT. The BIOLITE FIREPIT is a smokeless, wood-burning fire pit that uses patented airflow technology to create a more efficient and enjoyable campfire experience. It is also equipped with a rechargeable battery that can power the fan for up to 30 hours on a single charge. The BIOLITE FIREPIT is a great option for camping, backpacking, or simply enjoying a backyard fire. Smokeless. The BIOLITE FIREPIT uses patented airflow technology to create a nearly smokeless fire. This is a major benefit for campers and backpackers, as it means you won't have to worry about smoke inhalation or getting your clothes and gear smoky. Efficient. The BIOLITE FIREPIT's airflow technology also makes it more efficient than a traditional campfire. This means that you'll use less wood and produce less ash, which is better for the environment. Portable. The BIOLITE FIREPIT is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. It comes with a carrying case that makes it easy to take with you on your next camping trip or outdoor adventure. Versatile. The BIOLITE FIREPIT can be used for a variety of purposes, including cooking, providing warmth, and creating ambience. KAKADU OUTBACK Shower. The KAKADU OUTBACK Shower is a portable camping shower that provides hot water on demand. It is powered by a propane tank and has a rechargeable battery that can run the pump for up to 2 hours. The shower head has a flow rate of 0.5 gallons per minute and can be adjusted to provide a variety of spray patterns. The KAKADU OUTBACK Shower is a great option for campers, backpackers, and anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. Portable. The KAKADU OUTBACK Shower is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. It comes with a carrying case that makes it easy to take with you on your next camping trip or outdoor adventure. Easy to use. The KAKADU OUTBACK Shower is easy to set up and use. Simply connect the propane tank, fill the water bag, and turn on the pump. The shower will heat up in a matter of seconds. Durable. The KAKADU OUTBACK Shower is made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Versatile. The KAKADU OUTBACK Shower can be used for a variety of purposes. DEVOS LIGHTRANGER. The DEVOS LIGHTRANGER is a telescoping LED lantern that is designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It is lightweight, compact, and can be used to power a variety of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and lights. The DEVOS LIGHTRANGER is also equipped with a built-in power bank that can be used to charge devices even when the lantern is not running. Lightweight and compact. The DEVOS LIGHTRANGER weighs only 2.2 pounds and is small enough to fit in a backpack. This makes it ideal for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. High brightness. The DEVOS LIGHTRANGER has a maximum brightness of 800 lumens, which is enough to illuminate a large area. Adjustable height. The DEVOS LIGHTRANGER can be extended up to 9 feet tall, which allows you to direct the light where you need it. Long battery life. The DEVOS LIGHTRANGER has a battery life of up to 30 hours on low power. Durable. The DEVOS LIGHTRANGER is made from high-quality materials. FISKARS. FISKARS is a company that develops and manufactures portable water purification systems. Their products are designed to be lightweight, compact, and easy to use, making them ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. FISKARS water purification systems use a variety of technologies to remove harmful contaminants from water, including bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. They also remove sediment and other impurities, making the water taste better and safer to drink. FISKARS' most popular product is the portable water purification system. This system uses a combination of filtration and UV light to purify water. It can remove up to 99.9999% of harmful contaminants, making it one of the most effective portable water purification systems on the market. The portable water purification system is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry with you on hikes, camping trips, or other outdoor adventures. It is also easy to use. SUNDA 2.0. The SUNDA 2.0 is a portable solar-powered light that is designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It is lightweight, compact, and can be used to illuminate a variety of areas. The SUNDA 2.0 also has a built-in power bank that can be used to charge devices, such as smartphones and tablets. Lightweight and compact, the SUNDA 2.0 weighs only 13.8 ounces and is small enough to fit in a backpack. This makes it ideal for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. High brightness, the SUNDA 2.0 has a maximum brightness of 300 lumens, which is enough to illuminate a large area. Long battery life, the SUNDA 2.0 has a battery life of up to 20 hours on low power. Durable, the SUNDA 2.0 is made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Versatile, the SUNDA 2.0 can be used for a variety of purposes, including camping, hiking, power outages. HAMMOCK HOLDALL. The HAMMOCK HOLDALL is a 9-pocket organizer that hangs above your hammock. It is designed to keep your gear organized and within arm's reach while you are relaxing in your hammock. The HAMMOCK HOLDALL has a variety of pockets, including a large pocket for a tablet or book, a smaller pocket for your phone, and several smaller pockets for your other gear. It also has a built-in light that can be used to read or find your way around in the dark. 9 pockets. The HAMMOCK HOLDALL has a variety of pockets to keep your gear organized. Easy to install, the HAMMOCK HOLDALL can be easily installed on any hammock. Durable. The HAMMOCK HOLDALL is made from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Lightweight. The HAMMOCK HOLDALL is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry with you on your next camping trip or outdoor adventure. Versatile, the HAMMOCK HOLDALL can be used with a variety of hammocks. Pros: keeps your gear organized, easy to install, durable, lightweight, versatile. Cons: can be a bit expensive, may not be compatible with all hammocks. ZENBIVY Light Pillow. The ZENBIVY Light Pillow is an inflatable pillow that is designed for campers and backpackers. It is lightweight, compact, and comfortable, making it a great option for anyone who wants to get a good night's sleep while they are on the trail. The ZENBIVY Light Pillow is made from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, and it is easy to inflate and deflate. Lightweight and compact, the ZENBIVY Light Pillow weighs only 4.6 ounces and packs down to the size of a small orange. This makes it easy to carry with you on your next camping trip or backpacking adventure. Comfortable. The ZENBIVY Light Pillow is made from soft, 20D ripstop nylon that is comfortable against the skin. It is also filled with a layer of high loft insulation that provides warmth and support. Durable. The ZENBIVY Light Pillow is made from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The pillow is also backed by ZENBIVY's lifetime warranty. Easy to inflate and deflate.